the 5 in 1. The first part and the foundation of this exercise is the posterior pelvic tilt. Imagine you have a rod going through your hips from side to side, and the movement you're looking for is a rotation backwards. So it's rotating your pelvis backwards, using your glutes to tuck your tailbone under and forward, using your abdominal muscles to draw your belly button in towards your spine and elevate your pubic bone. So I'll do that again, rotating my pelvis backwards, tucking my tailbone under, drawing my belly button in and elevating my pubic bone. It's really important that you then hold that pelvic tilt throughout this entire process. Part 2 is to take your sternum and then elevate it and hold that throughout. The third part, you're looking to externally rotate up here in your shoulder. So turning your thumb back behind you, rotating your shoulder back on both sides and hold. The fourth part is taking your shoulder blades, bringing them back towards each other and bringing them down as if you're trying to tuck them into your back pocket. And the fifth and final part is, whilst facing ahead, retract your head gently backwards and hold. Bring it all together. It's posterior pelvic tilt, rotating backwards and hold. Take your sternum, elevate the front and hold. Rotating your shoulders back on both sides and hold. Pulling your shoulder blades back and down and hold, and retracting your head and hold. Don't forget to breathe. And that's it.